On today's episode of Speaking Puzzles, we're here to learn about Aries. I'm your host, Tubbs the Enlightener, and welcome to the #1 spiritual channel for the neurodivergent community, where we specialize in neurodivergent astrology for the nonverbal autism community. All right? Now, the first thing that we're going to learn today is about Aries, okay? First things first, we need to know what makes you an Aries. And if you're thinking about going off of your tropical placements, think again. Here on Speaking Puzzles, we researched and found that your sidereal placements give a better insight to the actual nature of the individual, okay? Now, I know you're wondering, what are sidereal placements? Glad you asked. Yep, giving you a second to go on a screenshot. All right. As you can see, there's some differences. There are some major differences. But to keep it simple, if you start with Aries, April 15th through May 15th, and you end with Pisces, which would be March 15th through April 14th, then you can follow suit in the middle, okay? It may be like a day off, but you get the point. Now, screenshot, like I said, boom, so you can know your placement. Now, what do we know about Aries? Okay, Aries represent self, okay? As in selfish, selfless, just self. The body, the brain, the head, the first, the #1, okay? They're going to be very impulsive. They're going to be very unable to take bullying, because these are also like your hero-like individuals. They're going to be full of energy, okay? Because Aries is the first. It's created. It's just a big ball of energy, just big ball of chaotic, confusing energy, okay? Now let's go in order for what these things are. These pictures, I know you notice these things, right? So first things first is, boom, the battery. Speaking puzzles, the battery represents Mars, okay? Because Mars is energy, all right? So that is the ruler of Aries, the energy. Energy, Aries is the first zodiac, okay? It's the first one created. It's a fire sign, all right? Fire sign. They are the heroes. That is the image that I want you to understand about Aries. If nothing else, the heroes, okay? They do not like bullying. They like to be #1. They like to be the leader. They like the praise that a hero would get, okay? They see accomplishing a task and people praising and thanking them as their, bee's knees, okay? That is the butter to their bread, all right? They don't feel toasty without the praise. These individuals love praise, hand clap, telling them good. Positive reinforcement is going to work best with them, okay? So if you have an autistic child, especially nonverbal, all right, and you're struggling and they're spazzing out and doing all these things, just remember, they need energy. They're full of energy, so you got to get that energy out. They're going to need physical play and definitely words of encouragement, okay? So that's them. And the ram, all right? The ram is, we seen the video of the Aries being Aries, headbutting things, right? Let's roll the clip again. Yeah, so I basically just made that clip so that y'all can, whenever you think of Aries, I want you to think of that clip. Okay? So when you see your kid doing just Aries-like things, I want you to have a sense of empathy for them, okay? Because it's in their nature to just get them a helmet, because they're going to headbutt. They're the head. Aries are the head, okay? And sometimes they get into their animal-like nature, all right, when they're spazzing out, overwhelmed, and they get to crashing out like that. So get a helmet. It's okay. They got the heads for it, all right? Moving forward, all right. So now that we know about the Aries, let's figure out what brings these individuals comfort, okay? Nourishment, all right? Acts of service is the number one thing that they respond to. Acts of service. These are going to be the individuals that, like I said, they need approval and applause and words of encouragement, but what they need to receive that love is acts of service. They love when you do things for them. It makes their life easier for them to shine, okay? They need to be Batman. You need to be Robin, okay? You have to be the sidekick in providing them ways to be, the leader, and they're going to appreciate that the most. Also, feeding them, okay? They like to be served good food, nourishment, love, like I said, hugs, kisses, admiration, all of that is needed in order for them to feel nourished and accepted and making your life a lot easier, okay? That's how you bond with them. If you're not bonding, you cannot be mad at how they're responding, okay? Now, what type of partnership do they need? They need a diplomat, like I said. You need to be the sidekick to them. Yes, parents, you can be the sidekick to your child's superhero TV series, okay? He has his own show that he or she, they have their own TV show. They are the hero, and you are the guest star. And even though you are the parent, you also need to be the sidekick because they are the hero in their story. It's about them, okay? So, I know you're the parent, but you're the adult. So you have to figure out ways to get what you want, but in a diplomatic way. That's it. It's more like, you need them to, all right, Johnny, I need you ready because so-and-so, mommy, has to be at work at this time. And if mommy's late, oh, she'll be sad, she'll be this. But so if you can get ready, you'll be the savior of the day. Just giving them the narrative, making them the hero will help you 9 out of 10 times. Whether they're nonverbal, whether they're verbal, whatever, that is the type of partnership they need. That diplomatic boom, okay? They are reflections of you. I want you to know that parents and caretakers who get blessed with these individuals are going to be reflections of you and yourself. So whatever energy you're getting from them, I'm telling you, it's just a deeper inner reflection of yourself. Okay, but anyway, moving forward, their subconscious mind. Okay, their subconscious mind is wild. It's very sleepy. They need their rest. Okay, yeah, though they have big balls of energy and whatnot, they're gonna crash out and go to sleep. They need it. Their dreams are wild. Their dreams is just imaginative and all. Allow them time to be creative by themselves in isolation. They need it. They do need their alone time, okay? Remember, everything you know about a hero, they all got secret identities to where they can be alone and left alone, all right? But when they're out and about in crowds and all, they need to be the hero. Put them in leadership roles, put them in, those type of situations. Life will be way more blissful. So if you want to know more, link in bio. And stay tuned. Drop a puzzle for more content like this. All right, drop the little puzzle piece. Peace. And don't forget to like, share, and follow. And tag a friend.